AI tools are completely changing the way research writing is done. They help students write faster and improve their work. But at the same time, they have also created a lot of confusion. Students are not sure how much AI they can use, or whether even using AI is allowed at all, and whether the AI detectors even work properly. So in this video, we'll answer all these questions first. And I'll also walk you through Paperpal's newly launched AI detector and also show you how it can be super useful before you submit your work. Let's start with the main question. Is it actually okay to use AI tools during your research writing? And is it ethical? The simple answer is yes. Using AI tools is completely allowed. But there's one small catch. It totally depends on how you're using it. AI is supposed to help you write better, not do the entire work on your behalf. For example, you can use it to fix grammar, to improve sentence flow, or to make your writing easier to read. That kind of use is completely fine because you're still doing the real work yourself. When things can start to go wrong is where you allow AI to do your thinking part, because that part has to come entirely from you, because you're the one who actually understands your research. So AI itself is not the problem, using it the wrong way is. As long as you're using AI tools as a helper, you're on the safe side. But even when you use AI the right way, there's one more important thing: disclosures. Most publishers and universities are okay with the use of AI as long as you're honest about it. For example, big names like Elsevier, Springer, Nature, and Taylor and Francis clearly allow AI to assist in writing, but with two main rules. AI cannot be listed as an author. You need to disclose wherever you have used AI in your paper. Being transparent about AI use removes the fear, but even when you do this properly, students still wonder, how will my work be judged? And that's exactly where AI detectors come in. So let's first quickly understand what AI detectors actually are. AI detectors are tools designed to analyze written text and estimate how likely it is that the writing was generated using AI. They don't check plagiarism and they don't know who wrote the text. They simply look at writing patterns, things like writing structure, consistency, and predictability. And based on all of that, they give you an AI score. But unlike most AI detectors that just flag your text and keep you guessing, Paperpal's newly launched AI detector actually helps you understand your writing and see exactly where AI may have been used by categorizing your work in three main categories. Let's have a look. First, go to paperpal.com and log into your account. Once you're in, head straight to the AI detector section. Here, you need to upload your paper. After that, you instantly get an AI detection report. You'll notice three main sections here. On the left, your paper is shown, divided into color-coded categories. This helps you quickly see which parts might be AI generated. On the top right, you'll see your overall AI detection score. And just below that, there's a detailed writing pattern breakdown, giving you a clear explanation of the possible AI content in your paper. Now, you'll see that your text is divided into three main categories. The first one is AI written. This is where Paperpal flags the text that has strong AI writing patterns, basically the part with the highest chances of being seen as AI generated. Next is the human AI blend. This highlights the text that has a mix of AI and human writing patterns. So maybe you wrote it yourself but used AI to refine it, expand ideas, or clean up the language. And finally, there's human written content. This is the text that shows natural human writing patterns and is fully considered as human written. These three categories make it very easy to understand which parts of your paper can raise a flag. And just to be clear, Paperpal isn't questioning intent, authorship, or integrity. It simply shows writing patterns so you can confidently review your work before submission. And once you know that, you have two clear options. You can either paraphrase those parts yourself to add your human touch to them, or add a proper AI disclosure if you have actually used AI for those parts and want to keep it. So overall, this is what makes Paperpal's AI detector actually very useful. It doesn't just scare you with the score, but actually makes you understand your text and gives you a clear path to use AI ethically. Also, just below this, you'll also see an option to run your paper for grammar checks and plagiarism, so you can fix everything in one place before submission. And beyond just this, Paperpal has multiple tools that help you at every part of your research writing process. That's why, to unlock its full potential, make sure you buy the Prime version. Till then, if you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Good luck with your research writing, and I'll catch you in the next one.